this lecture, I'm going to share the advantages of GooglePlus marketing. GooglePlus is not just a social network for silly cat pictures or video jokes, even though if you can share those if you like. The users here are mostly marketers, industrial experts and business owners of any kind, which makes it almost professional. However, Google Plus is often underrated as a traffic generation tool, and only a few users really know how to use it to create engagement and a loyal following. If you are one of those who are still unsure about the hidden power of Google Plus, then this lecture is particularly for you. Now let's see on how to receive Google Plus traffic for your website very easily. You should first create a Google Plus business profile because it is owned and operated by Google, of course. And as a generalization, like YouTube and Google Places for business, Google Plus profiles do have some peaks in getting ranked or indexed by Google. You can increase the odds of getting highly targeted visitors from Google's organic search result if you have a Google Plus account. Similar to Facebook's like, Google has +1 votes. The more +1s your pages have and the better your posts are. These social votes let Google know that what you are sharing is being read and shared. Google Plus profiles and pages can have a significant impact on search rankings. I have got a couple of tips that will show you on some ways to use Google Plus for business. The first one is the link. If you have account in any other social medias like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, you can add those links in your Google Plus account as well. Since it is owned by Google, what else is going to be your better option of getting targeted visitors and marketing your product? The second tip would be the Circle Google Plus people. You can add your people to your circle and also find more visitors using the search feature of Google based on your interest. Doing so, you can increase your visitors and exposure when you start sharing your content with the world. This is how you can get more visitors from Google Plus, and our software can easily increase your visitors. Also, like I have mentioned in the lecture on Facebook marketing, engaging with your fans will help you out more to bring in laser targeted traffic in boosting your sales. Therefore, you can increase the chances of your content being shared with your circle of influence, which ultimately reach a lot of targeted traffic. I have provided the Google Plus software with this course. Make use of it for maximum usage.